All right, linear functions. That's just a fancy way of saying an equation that makes a straight line for the most part. Okay? Function in your need of knowledge is just that it's an equation. And a linear means straight line. Okay? All right.
I had an idea.
Okay, so function notation. It's important to know what the notation is so that you don't freak out when you open up your book. It is written, for the most part, like this: f of x. That's how we say that. F of x. Now, it is interchangeable with y. So if you say y equals 2x plus 3, written as a function, it's going to be f of x equals 2x plus 3. Okay, so don't let this, or g of x, or h of x, or s of t, that's just a generic way of writing y. Okay, it's not always going to be f of x. It's going to be g of h, or s of t. Okay, it's not always going to be those letters. But the point is that you understand that this is y. So my point is, when you open the book and you look at the equations, you look at the functions, whenever you see something like this, this is your y value. Do you understand? All right. I'm trying to make it easy for you. Otherwise, I'd just say, this is what a function looks like. And you'd have to figure it out on your own. All right, so just like what I said, your slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, we would write it in function notation like this. F of x equals mx plus b. It's exactly the same thing. If I wanted to know the value of y when x is 2, this is what they would say. They would say, what is the function when x is 2? They're not putting 2 in for y, they plug 2 in for x. Meaning, what do you get when you plug 2 in for x? You would substitute it in there. So when you see something like this, that means substitute that number for the x value. What is the function when x is 2? That's what it's asking. I'm just teaching you this so when you see it, you know what to do. So you don't raise your hand and say, I don't know what to do. Don't ask me that. I'm telling you. Pay attention. Got it? Okay. All right. We've already talked about this. A linear function. How do you know if something's linear? What did I tell you?
Straight line.
If you're looking at the equation only, like on the test you had for chapter 8.
The one that we all failed?
Yeah. Okay, so how do you know if a function is linear?
If the exponents are 1.
Thank you.
Good job.
If a linear function has a high degree exponent of 1.
Why is it called high degree if it's just
Exponent means degree. Or degree means exponent. Anything else is not linear. A -1 for an exponent is not linear, as far as we're concerned. Okay? X squared, that's not linear. X cubed, that's not linear. X in your denominator, that's not linear. You understand?
Oh, is it what we did with that K?
No. Okay, so let's just talk about that. Example 1. F of x, y, equals x plus 2x minus 4. Alright, here's what I want you to do. First of all, Tell me whether or not it's linear.
It is.
Yes. How do you know?
Because there's one.
Yeah, all the exponents are positive 1. Okay? Second, I want to know the slope and the intercept, which means put it in slope-intercept form.
I have a question.
Yes.
How is that linear if there's 2x?
Now, the highest degree is a 1.
Oh.
Doesn't matter if there's 2 of them. Okay?
Oh, I forget what the slope intercept form was. Slope is.
Are you serious? I'll slap you.
Oh, that's
We just went over it for like the 15th millionth time. What's your question?
It says slope is 30.
Okay, so how you do this is you got to get everything together. What's 1x and 2x?
3.
X, that's 4. So this is in the form y equals mx plus b. So m is 3. That's your slope, 3 over 1. And your y-intercept is -4.
Oh, so it's y equals 3x.
Yeah, this is what you would give me as your answer. f of x equals 3x minus 4.
Why the tornado sound so loud?
Because today's the day that they test them. Because it's perfectly sunny out there and there's a tornado about to hit us.
I guarantee people agree.
Understandable.
Not that there can't be a tornado when it's perfectly sunny
We
out,
live
but
in Indiana.
hard to have a tornado when, where, how did you
Yeah,
What?
I did that.
I and the 3 is in the M position. These are positions.
Excuse the interruption. Today we are going to do a tornado drill. At this time, could you please go to the correct spot for a tornado drill? Thank you.
Girls go to the, you got to sit down and up against the wall. Girls will go to the bathroom,